Hello dear friends, a very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's video is a very powerful spell video which is gonna make sure that if your target person, your lover, your husband or your wife, if he or she has stopped talking to you, or if he or she has stopped communicating with you, then you can use this powerful spell. It's a one word spell in which you need not to do anything major. You need not to go anywhere. You can do this spell at your own home, at your own place, and the result of this spell is too powerful that one person had accidentally tried this spell. Dear brothers and sisters, one person had accidentally tried this spell. Till now, that person is calling us or is messaging us that he wants to remove the impact of this spell, because the power of this spell is too high. If it is practiced on a weak-hearted person, or on a weak-hearted lady, or on a person who is not mature enough to handle the powers or potency of this spell, then that person will be 24 hours will be mad for you. 24 hours, 7 days a week, 30 days a month. Every time, wherever you will go, whatever will you do, whatever you are going to think, your target person will be thinking about you only. You just need to have a pen. And how you need to do this spell: if your target person has left you or has stopped communicating with you, then you are going to chant this powerful word, which I am going to write it down in front of you right now. And if you have been able to chant it 31 times, if you have been able to chant it 31 times, this powerful word, in 1 minute, in 1 minute, without distracting yourself, that is, in your mind, in your emotions, in your heart, that person's love have to be there. And if you have done it, your target person will be completely loyal to you. On Friday, you need to start this. Between 10 AM to 10 AM on Friday, you can do this spell. It has a window of only 10 minutes. Your mind should be completely positive and must have to have a complete trust. after this, dear brothers, you are going to Abhimantram. Suppose you want to put this love spell on your target person whose name is Jan. So what will you do? You will read this Abhimantram Jan, that is your target person's name. If it is Sonia, and then you will be chanting it as Abhimantram Sonia. If your target person name is Jessica, you will be chanting it like Abhimantram Jessica. On Friday, between 10 a.m. to 10:10 a.m. in 1 minute 31 times, if you can chant this spell Abhimantram Jessica, and after chanting it 31 times, if you are able to touch your elbow, left hand's elbow, with your right hand's elbow immediately, some people will be able to do it immediately, some people might not be able to do it. If you have not been able to do it, then you need to try it on next Friday. Touching your left hand's elbow with your right hand's elbow without moving your right hand's elbow, immediately you will have the results. Your target person will be completely in your control. Immediately your target person is going to call you and is going to say that he or she cannot live without you. Whatever you would say, your target person will do. But your intentions have to be positive. Dear brothers and sisters, if you need any support or if you want any help regarding this spell, then you can call on the number which is there on your screen. Till that moment, take care. God bless you. Bye bye. Khuda Hafiz.